or Mementoes of English Martyrs and Confessors for Every Day of the Year by Henry Sebastian Bowden. August 20. 30 pieces of silver. Thomas Percy, 1572. A gallant sight must have been the men of the rising on the march, nobles, knights, with their tenants equipped for war, laborers and peasants, unarmed but stout of heart, all wearing the red cross. Their standard, the 5 sacred wounds. Its bearer, the gray-haired Richard Norton, late High Sheriff for Yorkshire. Among their chaplains, Blessed Thomas Plumtree, and heading the force, the Earl and his brave-hearted Countess. They advanced as far south as Clifford Moor, near Wetherby, but their divided counsels and want of supplies forced them to retire. And at the advice of the Earl, anxious to avoid useless bloodshed, they dispersed. The cold-blooded revenge of Elizabeth displayed at once her avarice and cruelty. The gentlemen and yeomen were allowed to escape with a fine, but the peasants were hung by hundreds. The Earl fled to Scotland, and, consenting to meet an envoy from the regent, was treacherously captured and confined in Lochleven. Thence, after 2 years and a half imprisonment, he was handed over to Elizabeth, who thirsted for his blood for £2,000. He was conveyed to York, where, after refusing to save his life by apostasy, he won his crown, August 22, 1572.